Elon Musk once lived in an extremely small house and described the experience as something truly unforgettable, almost like a once-in-a-lifetime experiment. Because of that experience, he later hinted that he might one day introduce a Tesla tiny house priced at roughly $7,000. It sounds almost impossible at first, but this idea may not be a joke at all. It could be part of a bigger plan to protect Tesla during challenging times or a carefully calculated step toward Elon Musk's larger ambitions. Elon Musk has always placed sustainability at the center of his vision, and he has openly said that tiny houses may represent the future of housing. According to him, land prices are rising so fast that owning large homes may soon become unrealistic for most people. The idea that Elon Musk actually lived inside a Tesla-style tiny house is still hard for many people to believe. After all, at the time his fortune was close to $300 billion, meaning he could easily buy any luxurious mansion, private island, or historic castle he wanted. Yet instead of choosing excess, Elon Musk decided to live in a small casita. And honestly, that decision alone is astonishing, because this tiny home does not feel lacking in any way. In fact, once you look inside, it starts to feel even more impressive than many traditional houses. So the real question becomes this. What would a $7,000 Tesla tiny house actually look like, and why would Elon Musk put his attention on something like this? Many stories about Elon Musk's Tesla home have spread online, but a large number of them are exaggerated or filled with confusion. So what is the real truth? The tiny house Musk owns is actually less than 400 square feet and sits near Starbase in Texas. He bought it in the year 2021. What makes it unique is that it was built by a company called Boxabl, which focuses on advanced prefabricated housing. The most shocking detail is that the entire installation process took only 1 hour. This house was among the first 3 prototypes the company ever made. After Musk started living in it, Boxabl suddenly received close to 200,000 orders, which could translate into almost $2 billion in potential revenue. There is no doubt that Elon Musk's unintentional endorsement turned Boxabl into a massive success story. Without him, most people might never have heard the company's name at all. But let us return to Musk's Casita and look at what truly makes it special. The entire structure of the house is built inside a factory, including the walls, ceiling, and much of the interior, before it is transported to the site and unfolded into place. And here is the surprising part. Elon Musk paid only $40,000 for this tiny home. At first glance, many people assumed the Casita was just another simple prefab house with ordinary drywall walls. But once we looked deeper, that assumption completely fell apart. Could this actually represent the future of housing? How could something like this ever be built for just $7,000, with installation costs as low as a few $100s, especially when Elon Musk himself invested in the concept? If you think Musk's Casita is nothing more than a basic prefab structure, that idea could not be further from the truth. There are no weak drywall panels or fragile materials here. The house is constructed using advanced technology and extremely durable materials, including steel, concrete, insulated foam, and layered composite panels. These materials are compressed under 250,000 pounds of pressure, forming a solid structure designed to survive hurricanes, floods, and heavy snow. These are conditions that even many traditional houses struggle to endure. If a house meets Elon Musk's standards, it is clearly not ordinary, because Musk consistently prioritizes products that are long-lasting and sustainable. Small but limitless is the philosophy behind this Casita. Because of its mobility, the house can be transported almost anywhere using a flatbed truck. During transport, it folds down to compact dimensions, reducing space and cutting shipping costs. With a total weight of around 5,900 kilograms, the entire setup process still takes only about an hour. It is so fast that you could order the house in the morning and be inside it by the afternoon. And for $40,000, you get nearly 400 square feet of living space, including 4 separate rooms and a ceiling height of 9 feet 6 inches. Even more impressive, Boxabl designed these casitas to connect and stack together, allowing people to create larger homes or even 2- or 3-story buildings. Many people assume that if Tesla ever launched a $7,000 tiny house, it would be far smaller and far more limited than the $40,000 version Musk lived in. But that assumption may be wrong. Instead of shrinking the space, the smarter approach would be to simplify the interior, optimize the layout, and rely on intelligent design and smart technology to enhance daily living without reducing square footage. Before we imagine that future home, let us first look closely at what is actually inside Elon Musk's $40,000 Casita. A 400-square-foot home sounds cramped on paper, but the design is so efficient that it feels surprisingly open. Every inch of space is carefully planned, and the result is a home that feels comfortable rather than restrictive. The living room is the largest area in the Casita, and that choice was intentional. As the leader of Tesla and SpaceX, Musk turned this space into a working environment where he could manage tasks without distraction. Just behind the living room sits a bed placed strategically near a partial wall. This divider not only separates the sleeping area, but also includes built-in storage that helps eliminate wasted space. Here is something most people do not expect. Musk's Casita actually contains 3 bedrooms. Originally, it only had 2, but Musk converted the garage area into a 3rd bedroom. In videos showing the interior, you can see smart folding beds that pull down for sleep and fold away during the day. It is a clever solution that transforms the space instantly. Many people wonder if a tiny house like this can include a real kitchen. At first, it seems unlikely because kitchens require plumbing, appliances, and storage. Yet Musk's Casita includes everything you would expect, such as a sink, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and cabinets, all arranged in a compact but highly practical layout. Thanks to intelligent planning, the kitchen feels more usable than those in many small apartments. A small dining table is also built into the counter area, saving space while remaining functional. Of course, there is also an exhaust system to maintain clean airflow. Even the bathroom defies expectations. It includes a sink, mirror, toilet, and a roomy shower. The sliding door saves space and adds a modern touch. Every corner of the Casita feels intentional, creating a warm and comfortable atmosphere. And before we go further, if you are enjoying this deep dive into futuristic living and Elon Musk's bold ideas, make sure you subscribe and stay with us, because the most exciting part of this story is still unfolding. Now imagine this. If Musk's $40,000 tiny house already offers smart design and modern comfort, what could be possible with a home priced at just $7,000? Even with a much lower budget, a well-designed tiny home can still meet essential living needs by maximizing efficiency. The living and sleeping areas would likely be combined, using a foldable bed that transforms into a sofa during the day. This dual-purpose design saves space while keeping the home functional. The kitchen would be more basic, featuring only necessities such as a small electric stove, a sink, and a compact refrigerator. Instead of a full oven or dishwasher, the home might rely on a portable induction cooktop and wall-mounted shelves. A foldable or wall-integrated dining surface would provide flexibility without clutter. The bathroom would remain simple, including a toilet, a small sink, and a shower. To reduce costs, the shower might use a curtain instead of a glass enclosure, but smart layout choices would still make it comfortable. Storage would rely heavily on wall-mounted shelves, built-in cabinets, and under-bed compartments. Large windows would help bring in natural light and improve ventilation, making the space feel open. Even without advanced ventilation systems, simple exhaust fans could maintain airflow. While it would not match the luxury of the $40,000 Casita, a thoughtfully designed $7,000 tiny house could still deliver comfort and efficiency. If such a home were launched, it would represent more than just affordable housing. It would symbolize energy efficiency and independence. The interior could use energy-saving lighting and smart devices to reduce costs. Most importantly, Tesla could achieve this price by leveraging its renewable energy technology. A compact version of the Tesla Powerwall could allow the house to operate without relying on the electrical grid. Solar roofing could generate clean energy, making the home self-sufficient. Materials from Tesla and SpaceX could also be used. The stainless steel developed for the Cybertruck would be ideal for the frame due to its strength and durability. Insulation technology inspired by spacecraft could help regulate temperature, lowering energy needs. The Boring Company could contribute low-cost construction materials made from recycled excavation debris. Tesla gigafactories, combined with automation and Optimus robots, could dramatically reduce production costs. Starlink could provide high-speed internet access anywhere. Water recycling and air filtration systems could turn tiny homes into fully self-sustaining units. Elon Musk is known for breaking expectations. In 2020, he sold nearly all his personal homes and chose to live simply near his workplace. While many people pay high rent every month, Musk chose minimalism. The tiny house trend is growing because companies like Boxabl are redefining construction. Foldable designs allow fast transport and quick installation. Boxabl even claims it could one day produce one house per minute. Musk's interest may go beyond convenience. He could be testing ideas for building homes on Mars. Modular, efficient housing is essential for future space settlements. The Casita reflects Musk's minimalist philosophy and long-term vision. With a total cost of around $7,500, a Tesla tiny house could change housing forever. It could open doors for millions and disrupt traditional real estate. For Tesla, expanding into housing could create an entirely new market, strengthening its ecosystem and ensuring long-term dominance in energy, transportation, and sustainable living.